Abeba was born with a special gift. Every night, she would transform into a radiant firefly. Once upon a time, in the heart of an African dynasty, there existed a kingdom ruled by a wicked and harsh king named Malik. His rule was characterized by cruelty, misjudgment, and favoritism. If you were not among the king's favored, you were destined for suffering and oppression. In the midst of this kingdom, nestled in a small village, there lived a beautiful little girl named Abeba. Abeba was born with a special gift. Every night, she would transform into a radiant firefly. Unbeknownst to the villagers, Amina's nightly journeys took her from hut to hut, bringing with her an ethereal glow that dispersed peace, love, and happiness. As flitted Abeba from door to door, her mere presence had a transformative effect on the hearts of the oppressed people. The villagers, feeling an unexplainable warmth and kindness, began to find it within themselves to forgive the arrogant king. The once broken spirit of the village began to mend as a sense of unity and hope emerged. However, the people remained unaware of the source of this nightly miracle. It wasn't until one curious child, playing near Abeba's home, accidentally discovered her secret. The news Abeba's magical gift spread like wildfire, and soon the entire village knew of the enchanting firefly who had been the catalyst for their newfound happiness. Word reached King Malik about the mysterious firefly, and, driven by curiosity, he decided to investigate. Disguised as a commoner, he visited the village one night and witnessed the mesmerizing spectacle of Abeba's nightly visits. Even the calloused heart of the king couldn't resist the warmth and joy that the firefly brought. But the revelation of Abeba's identity sparked a shift in the village. Instead of fearing the consequences, the people began to rally around her. They saw in Abeba a beacon of hope and a symbol of the kindness that could overcome the king's harsh rule. As whispers of rebellion grew louder, Abeba found herself inadvertently becoming the leader of the village. Abeba, though reluctant at first, embraced her role with grace and wisdom beyond her years. She encouraged the people to unite against the tyranny of King Malik and to cultivate the love and forgiveness she had witnessed in their hearts. Abeba's nightly visits continued, but now they were a collective effort, as the villagers joined her in spreading peace and joy. The growing movement caught the attention of neighboring kingdoms and even some members of Malik's court who were discontent with his rule. As support for Abeba and the villagers swelled, King Malik found himself increasingly isolated. The people had grown tired of his cruelty, and even those within his inner circle began to question his leadership. In a surprising turn of events, the villagers, led by Abeba, approached King Malik with an offer. Step down peacefully, and they would grant him mercy. Faced with the prospect of widespread rebellion, the king reluctantly agreed, and Abeba's coronation as the new leader of the village marked the beginning of a new era. Under Abeba's wise and compassionate rule, the village flourished. The lessons of forgiveness, unity, and kindness learned through the journey of overcoming adversity became the guiding principles of the community. Abeba's magical gift, once a secret source of hope, now served as a constant reminder that even the smallest among them could bring about great change. And so, the story of Abeba, the firefly girl, became a tale told for generations, teaching the enduring lesson that kindness and unity have the power to triumph over even the harshest of rulers, and that true leadership is born from the hearts of those who inspire hope and love. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.